Today we will learn a very festive and traditional snack very famous in the Bengali speaking community by the name of Nimki. So let's learn this wonderful munching with food chan. Bengali Nimki. Let's go through the ingredients. A cup of flour, half teaspoon of salt, a teaspoonful of pure ghee or you can use sunflower oil, a pinch of baking powder, half tablespoon nigella seed or kalonji, sunflower oil to fry the nimkis. By mixing all the ingredients together, make a nice medium soft dough. To bind the dough, use water but do not add the kalonji yet. After that, divide the dough into several balls as if you're going to make flatbread or roti. After greasing the base, take a ball, flatten it with fingers and with the help of belan or pin roll, spread it like a roti or chapati. Making a perfect round can be a bit tricky. But hello, this is not the final shape of Nimki. So do not worry, just enjoy making it. Now with the help of a knife, cut the flattened bread into several straps and then change the directions and cut again the same way to get a diamond shape. This shape is a bit traditional, but there are no hard and fast rule regarding the size and shape. So make the way you like it. Start heating the oil but do not wait until it's very hot. Now gently add the nimki pieces into that medium hot oil. Always remember, do not fry them in very hot oil. Start when the oil is slightly warm, but do not turn down the heat. It should be on high, but when the oil reaches the boiling point, please do turn the heat down to medium. This is a trick to make the nimkis more crispier. Fry them until they're golden brown or slightly reddish. Wow, they have turned nice golden brown. I think the nimkis are ready. So let's take them out of the oil. Grab them and hold them to the side of the pan for a while and then take it off. This way the excess oil will drain down. Now it's time to learn another type of nimki with kalonji or nigella seeds. Start doing the same thing, but this time sprinkle kalonji or nigella seeds over the ball before rolling. Yes, just like this. Again flatten it with finger and now start rolling. Our spotty flatbread is ready. Now with the help of knife, cut them into diamond shapes as I told you before. Now gently add the nimki pieces to slightly warm oil. Add as I told you before. A quick recap on frying. Add the nimki while the oil is warm. Keep the flame on high, but when the oil is very hot, turn the heat down to medium or low. Keep adjusting. Be cautious. This way you'll get the best of best results. Now it seems that they are done. So grab the nimkis out of the oil. Your nimki is ready to be served. Nimki is an age-old favorite snack of Bengalis. After Vijayadashami or Dashera, almost all traditional Bengalis welcome their guests with nimki along with rasgulla and sometimes tea or sharbat. Worry not guys, I will make a separate video on rasgulla and sharbat. To get it all even more, please don't forget to subscribe our channel Food Chan. Along with that, please do like and share our videos. And let us know about your favorite snack in the comment section.